Alright, so this question is minimum cost for tickets. So just read over the problem, and I'm going to talk about the solution. So you have going to be, you have days array and cost array, right? So what you have to do is you want to find out the last day inside your days array, right? So it's going to be last index, and I need to create a DP. So the range is going to be given from 1 to 365. So you can just say 0 to 366. Sorry, 0 to 365. So it's going to be 366 base. And the last is going to be 20. So I don't have to traverse after 20, right? So I can say I traverse from 0 to 20. And 0 is not going to be used. So 0 by default is going to be what? 0, right? dp0 is going to be dp0. dp0 is going to be 0, right? And dp1 is going to be based on the value, the cost value, and the days value, right? And I need to keep traversing, so I'm going to say I based on the traversal. If I is equal to the days at I am going to find out the value for dpi. So if this is a 1 day pass, right, I'm going to say, okay, dpi minus 1, I minus 1, plus the current value for the days, for the 1 day pass. So this is what? This is 1 day pass, right? I'm going to try it again because it might be a 7 day pass would be cheaper, right? So you want to return minimum, right? So dpi again, current dpi, I want to find the minimum, right? So it's going to be min based on the what? The current value I have for the 1 day, so it's going to be dpi and then comma, and then I want to make sure my index I is what? Is valid, right? So if index I is equal to 1 minus 7 is going to be negative value, right? And then inside the DP is only positive, right? So we want to make sure it's going to be between 0 to I minus 7, right? And then we plus current value for the cost is 1. This is 7 day pass. And exactly going to be the same idea for 30 day pass. So I again, minimum I, and 0 comma I minus 30, and then this is cost at 2, right? So straightforward enough. I mean, you don't have to worry about too much. So again, dp equal to new int, and this is going to be what? 366. And my last day is going to be days dot length minus 1, and I will have to return days and then last day. All right. And then I have to keep my record for what? For current index at the days array. So it's going to be J. So I'm traversing from I equal to 1, I less than equal to last day, and I plus plus. So if I does not equal to what? Days at J, right? And I'm going to just copy my current status, the DP status, to the previous one, and else. And I'm going to keep track of the minimum number of dollars you need to travel. So it's going to be what? This is going to be 1 day. 1 day is going to be what? DPI minus 1, right? Plus the cost at what? 0, right? So this is 1 day. Okay, how about the 7 days? So it's going to be DPI equal to max.min, and this is the original one, so which is going to be 1 day pass, and this is going to be what? Max.max 0 to I minus 7. You don't want to get out of bump, right? And then you want to plus the cost at what? 1, because you want to know it's a 7 day pass, right? And then exactly the same idea for DPI for the 30 day. DPI DP max.max 0 comma I minus 7 I minus 30 plus cost at 2, right? Alright, now we are actually inside what? The days value, right? So because I does not equal to days at J, we need to, keep the previous status, right? But if we are actually equal, we are actually at the spot base 1, right? And then we need to move on, right? So it is j++ over here at the end. And then, yeah, but I mean, you are not going to be out of bound, right? Because the last day is going to be what? The dash at j, right? So let me run the code. Okay, I do have a typo. Should be typo, right? Cost, yes. All right. I'm gonna just cost. Okay. Oh, so it's out of bound for this situation. So give me 1 second. Okay. So this is a problem. I keep my value inside the DP, not the date array. So I need to say DP last day. So everything should be okay. So I just change the value over here, and I want to submit again. So this is a solution. So let's talk about the time and space. This is going to be a space, going to be all of what? 366, right? This is going to be a time. Time is going to be what? All of what? Last day. So it's going to be all of D, I promise. I don't know, but it looks like it's all of D. D represents the what? The last day. And if you want to find out the debug mode, I'm going to just run over, and then it should be okay. All right, so this is way too much, but just look at the 20. So you just have to imagine this is index 20, right? So just keep going. Pause the video at any second if you're confused. All right, so it's finished, right? So it's gonna be 11, right? And the answer is 11, right? So if you have question, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it. All right, peace out, bye.